Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification failed. There was an error connecting to the server Apple ID. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, try to sign in. Apple ID. As you can see, the error verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. So how to fix it? First of all, cancel it. Open settings. Now scroll down and type on general. Again scroll down and now type on date and time. So toggle on 24 hours and set on automatically toggle on. After that, go back and try again. As you can see, problem has been solved and Apple ID is signing in. So thanks for watching. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Do subscribe and like my video.